Hey guys, it's the gaming football. Like I wasn't recording. I wasn't recording. I wasn't recording. No, I wasn't recording when I packed Ronaldo. So that's what I wanted to start recording. So I just packed Ronaldo.
No one cares.
Now I'm gonna not get good players, am I?
Nope.
So I just got Onana again. Kill yourself.
Oh, Nana.
Oh, it's Vitolo. It's Vitolo. Just give me someone good. Not Perlo. Just give me a billboard. Give me a black screen again. Oh, well, if I can get Messi in this pack opening as well, that'd be good. 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 Be good, good. Be good.
You're about to get food on. Come against me.
Oh, come on. Give me someone good, not blimmin' Malcolm. Give me a billboard, gents. How are you doing? How are your packs? Gents.
They've been alright, but.
You haven't got Ronaldo. Ha!
They've been alright, but they've been shot.
Nice. You haven't got MSN, man, have you?
Shut up.
Have you got any of the like 93? Who's your best card?
No, yeah.
Ronaldo. I just packed a player called Success. Unlike this pack opening. Oh.
Unlike your life. Oh.
Kill yourself.